In this tutorial, we will learn arrays in the Flowgorithm flowchart. An array is a data structure that holds elements of the same data type in contiguous memory locations. We can store and access the array elements using the index or subscript. For example, imagine we want to store 5 elements and process them in our flowchart. We must declare 5 different variables to store the elements without using arrays. As the number of elements increases, it is difficult for the programmer to remember and use variables. Step 1. Declare an array. Use the declare symbol to declare an array. Let's declare an array of size 5, which can store 5 integers. Array variable name, numbers. Data type it can store, real. Check the box array to indicate the variable as an array. Specify the array size, 5. Initialize array elements. Initializing array elements involves storing them in the array. We can store and retrieve individual array elements using the array index. In the Flowgorithm flowchart, the index starts with 0. The index variable is called the subscript variable, array index or subscript. For example, we can use 0 as the index to store and access the first array element. Similarly, we can use 3 as the index to store and access the fourth array element. In this example, we have initialized the fourth array element of the array numbers to 45. Process array elements. To process and perform calculations, we need to retrieve the array elements. We can use the array index variable to retrieve the array elements and process the calculations. Output array elements. To output array elements, we can use them in the output symbol. To output the fourth array element, we can use the array index 3 along with the array name and enclose it in square brackets. In this example, the valid range of the subscript for an array of size 5 is from 0 to 4. Generally, for an array of size n, the valid range of the subscript is from 0 to n-1. Under any circumstances, if we try to allot values to an array subscript that is outside the valid range, we would get a bad error. This video tutorial is part of the testingdex.com Flowgorithm tutorial series. Stay tuned for more video tutorials.